Okay, I'm going to say the word. You repeat. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Small ball. Small and ball rhyme. Good job. Look, took. Thumbs up. Sock, wave. Sock and wave do not rhyme. Win, type.
This is like the side view, like the lower floor.
Win, type do not rhyme. See me.
This is the main part of the house.
Good job. See me rhyme. Okay, I'm going to say 2 words and a sound, and you repeat after me. Go, give, ga. Rain, red,
It's like just
Very, van, v. Bed, boat, ba. Zip, zoo, z. Okay, good job. We'll blend our words together. Afternoon, afternoon. Mailbox, mailbox. Rain, fall, rainfall. Sunflower, sunflower. Horseback, horseback. Okay, we're going to do our medial, our middle sounds. Rat, a. Best, e. K, id, I. D, all, ah. L, k, a. Good. Very sunny day, you can see with the sun coming in my windows. Okay, get your choppers out. We're going to chop our words. Moonlight, moonlight. Strawberry, strawberry. Everything, everything. Fingerprint, fingerprint. Keepsake, keepsake. Good job. We're on our second page. Okay, we're going to start with a word. You repeat it. We'll add another word and put them together. Camp. Add fire to the end to make campfire. Jack. Add pot to the end to make jackpot. Sail. Add boat to the end to make sailboat. Good job. Up. Add stairs to the end to make upstairs. Birth. Add day to the end to make birthday. Good job. Now we're going to take part of our words away. Outside. Take away side. What's left? Out. Bedroom. Take away room. What's left? Bed. Teapot. Take away pot. What's left? Tea. Cookbook. Take away book. What's left? Cook. Downtown. Take away town. What's left? Down. Very good. Okay, I'll say a line. You repeat after me for our nursery rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, try saying it all together to yourself or to a parent. I'll see you on tomorrow for Friday.